Have you ever woken up already behind and tired? Not because you sleep in, but because your soul felt tired before your feet even touched the floor. As an higher performing women, we are excellent at doing, yet secretly exhausted at being. You wake up already tense, running on determination until 11 p.m. You're wondering why your mind says enough, where your body acting as an automated mode. Well, that was me. And it's every high-achieving woman I met. Smart, strategic, soulful, but quietly exhausted. We don't talk about it very often to each other, don't we? But there is a secret cost to being a strong one. And here's what I have learned through burnout, through my own recovery, through working in ancient Chinese medical center and modern neuroscience. If you don't lead your energy, your crushes will. Well, 2 decades ago, I worked in a Chinese medical center. Week after week, brilliant women came in with frozen back, tight chest, insomnia, brain fog, premenopausal symptoms. Let's say, done the therapy, I've read the books. My GP told me nothing's wrong with me, but deep inside, why do I still feel off? And I began to realize we weren't just facing burnout. We were facing an identity loop. Our nervous system has been trained to function, but never to receive. So if your morning feels rushed, reactive, or worse, numb, if you are stuck between I know better and why am I still not doing it? What you need isn't more motivation talk course, because it is a new morning rhythm, one that regulates your systems before the world pulls you out of your center. This isn't about becoming a morning person. It's about becoming a present person. One who wakes up with intention, runs before reacting, and leads with inner clarity, not outer chaos. I have lived that loop. After burnout, chronic fatigue, and an identity crisis. That is what I teach Energy Reset. Aligned is a 5-step system that blends ancient Chinese energy work, modern neuro-linguistic programming, and the real emotional patterns and stress-related pain success women secretly battle. It helps you to reset the body before burnout swallows you, because success shouldn't cost your health, and showing up for your purpose shouldn't mean abandoning your body. You don't need to wait until the next breakdown to choose alignment. You can begin now. If your calendar is full but your heart feels empty, leverage the same blueprint. Number 1, acceptance. Accept what you can't change. This is based on energy clock rule. Number 2, lead with 5 elements meditations that practice breath anchored intention. 3, integrate micro movements that spark chi and dopamine. 4, ground in affirmations that commit not just hope. 5, nurturing with meridian chi detoxing to close stress loops. These shifts may look simple, yet they rewire the very operating system that governs your mood, metabolism, and momentum. So if you are ready to experience your own energy returning to you, book a private one-to-one energy alignment session with me to map your personal alignment ritual.